In this video, Exco want to introduce you a type of food that you might not be familiar with, cicadas. In summer, cicadas dig his way out of the soil and climb the tree. Usually, they begin climbing the tree at about 6 and 7 p.m., and that is when people start catching them. Cicadas, people in northern China, especially in Shandong and Henan province, they like to eat it, and they can also sell it. What people usually do is that they save cicadas for their own. After they catch it, they put it in the water, and then put it in the bottle, freeze it. So when they want to eat it, they can take it out. So what you can eat with it, how you can eat cicadas. Usually, you can just fry it, put some salt on it. This vlogger is buying some cicadas. He bought cicadas and asked this dude to cook for him. So you first put some salt on it, and boil it a little bit, and then rinse it. Put the vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, put the cicadas into it. Most people here eat cicadas before cicadas lose the shell or mold, but even for cicadas without the mold or shell, it is still edible.